Well, hello again. Welcome back. In case you've not been here before, my name's Rob Yates. This is Stuff I Do. Oddly enough, based around stuff I do. There you go. Anyway, this is part 2 of the Big Bang Theory lift lobby doodah. Because if you remember, the phone is ringing. I'll get that. Right then, phone call out the way. My good lady. Anywho, so good news is the glue sticks have arrived, which means next week we should have, all being well, a diner video. Part 14, I think. I'm looking at that now. Anyway, meanwhile, we must get on with the Big Bang stuff, so let's do that. Okay, so this is where we're going to go. I mean, nothing's fixed in place yet. So what I need, if we come down here, obviously as you go down the stairs, that's all you'd see. So that's why this is here. And of course, as you go upstairs, that's what you'd see. So while that's there. So where these lines are, or just the lower line in actual fact, all the way around, that's where the ceiling would be. So here's the plan. Plan is these that I've made with coping, they will go, I mean not in this specific place, along this area here. So that would be edge of the coving up towards the ceiling, and then the ceiling obviously would go up to that. So what I'd like to do is make a whole piece or ceiling that we can just drop on there, and then what the plan is I'll put in there is, this is the theory, the power supply, batteries and so forth, and lighting, wiring to come around here, which would light the staircases both going down and coming up. And of course I still need to make this lower staircase, and of course that would have to go on a false bottom here, so we can actually get that downward movement.
Do you have any idea what it's like to be paired with someone who's so incredibly annoying?
Oh, teacher, me!
Okay, here we are. The plan here is to do pretty much exactly what I did with the proposal for the coving up near the ceiling. The only difference is to make this a diorama, move this piece of wood here to the edge as opposed to it being in the middle of the ceiling. So I'm going to do that all the way around, and then I'll mitre the corners and we'll glue that on. And then I've got to do put a piece of wood down the sides here and a piece across here. Same on this side, and I'll have the paper inlay, the wallpaper inlay to finish that section, and I'll probably do something similar on the side for these doorways here. Okay, this is not set down yet, but you get the idea. Nice door frame that goes around the lift entrance, which I need to put the doors back in. You get the idea, the skirting at the bottom and the top section. And of course the wallpaper will go in focus. We're in there even. Oops, try that again. So there we are, attached what will be the ceiling alcoves. So obviously the ceiling section I put on will sit on these sections to support it and give it the correct height. We've got to put it back yet. But, that's where we are. Seems a slow process because there's so many little bits to prepare before you put the big bits on and you see the big reveal. So I'll carry on with that. Okie dokie then. Right, after some small touch-up painting, some of which you will never see, it just bothers me. We're starting to see what is going to emerge. I'm really happy with that. Let me come into the end of this episode shortly. So we're going to stay for the end and we'll see what's coming next time. But I'm happy with the way that's going. And I hope you are. So there you go. Another done, another done, another bit done, another bit done. So what we haven't got done in a big bang this time, we'll move on at a later stage because it was just going on in the background and it's something I wanted to do. So while I'm doing that, you will be keeping up to date. See, I'm just making these words as I go along. I want to start a new dictionary for me. Nobody else will understand it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate all your time. Appreciate your patience. Next week, diner. Take care, look after yourselves, have a great Christmas. See you soon.